startups used to spend 50% of their VC money on marketing. But now, one person with the right AI tools can do it all. This shift is called vibe marketing, and it's completely changing who wins in business. So in this video, I'll show you exactly what vibe marketing is and how you can use it to grow your business today. Vibe marketing basically takes the concept of vibe coding, which is where developers use simple text prompts to use AI to write code for them, but you apply this concept to marketing. Instead of spending weeks on campaigns, marketers are using AI tools to write emotionally resonant content that captures a brand's unique vibe, and all through natural language prompts. A single marketer can now launch entire campaigns in days using tools like SEMrush's Content Toolkit or HeyGen for AI videos. Vibe marketing is built on 3 pillars: AI tools that handle the heavy lifting, like copywriting and testing, no-code automation that anyone can use, and customizable tools that let small teams operate like full agencies. So now that you know what vibe marketing is, let's look at some specific tools that make all of this possible, starting with workflow builders that connect everything together. Make is your best bet if you want flexibility on a budget. It connects over 2,000 apps and lets you build visual workflows for things like scheduling posts or syncing data, perfect for startups that need to iterate quickly. N8N is for teams that need more technical power. It's open source with over 400 integrations and supports complex automations, so it's a great option if you have some dev support. Zapier is the beginner-friendly option. It connects over 8,000 apps with a simple no-code setup. It's not as powerful as N8N for complex logic, but it's incredibly easy to use. Now, workflow builders connect your tools, but what if you want AI to actually execute your marketing tasks autonomously? That's where AI agent platforms come in. Taskade is perfect for non-technical marketers. You can automate over 700 tasks and create workflows for everything from brainstorming to publishing content. It's honestly one of the easiest ways to implement AI agents if you've never touched code. Manus AI excels at complex multi-agent workflows. It can monitor brand sentiment 24/7 and create emotionally resonant content. I tested it to analyze Twitter conversations and adjust campaign tone, and it was pretty impressive. Relay is your affordable option, linking over 100 apps with AI-enhanced actions. It includes human-in-the-loop checkpoints, so you can still manually approve key steps. Alright, so you've got the automation and AI agents handling your workflows. But what about actually creating the content itself? The visuals, the videos, and the designs? Let's talk about the creative tools that make that happen. On the creative side, you need to know about these. SEMrush's Content Toolkit is your all-in-one platform. It's a topic finder, SEO brief generator, AI article generator, content optimizer. It's got everything. The Content Toolkit is best at combining data-driven insights with fast content production, making it super easy to scale high-performing campaigns without sacrificing quality or brand voice. Canva is still the go-to for design. With AI features like Magic Design and Magic Write, you can create on-brand visuals fast, even if you're not a designer. Looka generates logos and full brand kits in minutes. Colors, fonts, business cards, the whole package. It's great for startups that need professional branding without hiring a designer. HeyGen is a game changer for video. It uses AI avatars and voice synthesis to create studio-quality talking head videos without a camera crew. Many YouTube channels rely on it to scale content production affordably. Now, all these creative tools need one thing to work: the actual copy and messaging. So, the words behind your campaigns. For that, you need to know which AI language models are best for vibe marketing. For AI writing tools, there are 3 big players. ChatGPT is the most popular for good reason: free access, generous limits, and you can create custom GPTs for repeatable marketing tasks. Claude AI excels at creating content that feels human. It uses artifacts that make editing really easy. It's probably the best for actual writing and editing work. Grok is built for social media and trends, especially if you're creating content for X. It has platform integration and real-time trend awareness. Now, one more thing. If you really want to take vibe marketing to the next level, you might want to build custom tools or interactive experiences for your campaigns. And yes, you can do that without being a developer. Replit is for fast browser-based development that makes it easy to build and deploy web projects even with minimal coding knowledge. Bolt for no-code builds that offer a start-to-finish experience. Or Cursor, an AI code editor that's seen 9,700% search growth. Since it involves reviewing code and suggesting changes, it's best for marketing teams who have some development support they can lean on. You just saw how AI is changing the marketing game with vibe marketing. But can it actually help dominate SEO without sacrificing quality? In this next video, I'll show you 11 smart ways to use ChatGPT for SEO that saves hours and boosts ranking, and without falling into the AI content trap. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more how-to guides and strategies that drive real results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.